Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable DCR on KOORUI 24E4. DCR will automatically adjust the brightness of the screen based on elements being displayed. If most of the screen is displaying something dark, then the brightness of the whole backlight on the screen will go a bit darker. And if there's something bright, it'll go brighter. To enable or disable that option, go to M button to go to menu, then leave where you are on display and go to E button to enter it. Then go to the right twice to DCR and click on E button. Now go to the left to on and click on E button. It may also notify you about DCR using more power. So if it appears on the screen, you'll simply need to click on go to yes, for example, and click on E to approve. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.